Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to make practice of articles a and n to kids. लास्ट वीडियो हमारी आर्टिकल्स अ एंड एन से ही रिलेटेड थी, जिसमें मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि बच्चों को कोई भी न्यू टॉपिक हम कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. This video is the outcome of that last video. You will see here how my kid grabbed from that discussion. So guys, अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखी है तो I'll share you the link in description box. Do check out. And if you are new here in our channel, please consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting topics related to kids learning. Hi Adi.
Hi.
Today we'll revise about the use of a and n. Okay?
Yes.
So tell me, how many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
Very good. And how many vowels?
5.
How many consonants?
21.
Very good. Tell me, B is a consonant or a vowel?
Consonant.
H,
Consonant.
I,
Vowel.
M,
Consonant.
K,
Consonant.
say loudly, O,
Vowel.
R,
Consonant.
S,
Consonant.
W,
Consonant.
U.
Vowel.
Very good. It means this is clear to you. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. We'll do an activity now.
Yes.
Tell me what we'll use before vowel
N.
and what we'll use before consonant.
O.
Oh, okay. Now, there are some pictures given in this page. You have to write down a and n before the words. Okay?
Yes.
Come on. Take the pencil. Tell me, what is this?
Arrow.
Arrow. What we'll use here before arrow? What is the beginning letter of arrow?
A.
A is a.
Vowel.
So what we'll use?
N.
Write down. Very good. Write down an arrow. Read it.
An arrow.
Very good. This is.
Batch.
Write down what we'll use for n.
O.
Write down. Read it.
A bat.
Good. Next.
Ear. N.
Write down.
An ear.
Very good. Next.
Flower.
Flower. What we'll use?
O. O flower. Girl. O.
A girl.
Okay.
Next. Write down fast.
Okay. Egg. N. An egg.
Good. Next.
Hand. A hand. W.
What? This
V.
one.
Okay.
Iron.
Iron. A.
What is the beginning letter?
I.
This is a vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
So what we'll use?
N.
Write down. Read it.
N.
Iron.
Iron.
Next.
Key. Okay. Okay.
Table.
Table.
Say.
Table. A table. A table. Wheel. A wheel. X. An X. Cup. A cup. Kite. A kite. Ant. An ant. Car. A car.
Umpire.
Umpire. An umpire.
Angel.
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 A. An angel.
Very good.